If you love palm wine but can't always find it, this will surprise you. It tastes just like palm wine, but it's made from ripe plantains. It's natural, homemade, no sugar, just simple ingredients. Let's get started. You will need ripe plantains. The riper they are, the better. That's where the natural sweetness comes from. So after getting your ripe plantains, the next thing to do is to wash them properly to remove dirt or any impurity. Next, peel off the skin. This can be done using a knife or your hands. Once you are done with peeling, the next thing to do is to cut the plantain into smaller pieces. The smaller the size, the quicker the fermentation, okay? Add water to rinse the plantain again before transferring it into a jar where you are going to soak it. Place the cut plantain into a glass jar or plastic container with a lid. You don't need to blend or add sugar. We are keeping it completely natural, just like palm wine. Pour clean drinking water into the jar, just enough to cover the plantains, okay? Cover it, then place in a warm corner for about 3 to 5 days. During this time, the plantains will naturally ferment and produce that sweet wine-like flavor. You will also notice a tiny bubbles forming. That's a sign it's working perfectly. After fermentation, strain the liquid using a clean cloth or sieve, okay? Squeeze out as much liquid as the liquid you get is homemade plantain wine, just like palm wine. Pour it into a clean bottle and refrigerate it. You can serve it chilled. It tastes amazing, especially when cold. It is refreshing, slightly sweet, and gives that natural palm wine feel. Plantain wine isn't just delicious. It also comes with some amazing benefits. It helps boost digestion, support the immune system, and provide natural energy. Because it's fermented, it contains good bacteria that act like natural probiotics, helping your gut stay healthy. And the best part is made from plantain, which are rich in potassium, vitamins, and antioxidants. And that's it, your homemade plantain wine. If you enjoy my banana wine video, you will definitely love this one too. Tell me in the comments, which do you prefer, banana wine or plantain wine? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ese Kaku for more easy natural recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.